Any volunteer? No? Okay, I will pick someone. Lü Yanlong.
现在我们知道，我们的想法是来自于我们大脑，可是这1.5公斤的，这重达1.5公斤的那个器官吗？肉块，然后它可以让你知道你自己，还有就是你经历过什么事情，或者是情绪，或者是记得什么事情，然后甚至是20年前，或者是20分钟以前。
Very good. And this word "mind" in this paragraph means an ability that you can feel or remember things. And then we have another practice. I want you to listen and fill the blanks.
Today, however, powerful new techniques for visualizing the sources of thought, emotion, behavior, and memory are transforming the way we understand the brain and the mind it creates.
Again? Okay.
Today, however, powerful new techniques for visualizing the sources of thought, emotion, behavior, and memory are transforming the way we understand the brain and the mind it creates.
Okay, do anybody know the first answer? You can come and write on the blackboard. And anybody know the second answer? Oh, I'll pick someone. Okay. And the third answer, anybody? Okay, you. Fourth. Four. Okay, let's see the answer. The first answer is techniques. And the second is visualizing. The third is behavior. The fourth is transforming. And let's see the word visualizing in this paragraph. It means making things appear or showing some things. Well, let's continue. Have you ever stopped and thought, what's wrong with me today? I just don't feel like myself. It is all because of the working of prefrontal cortex, which is a region of brain just behind your forehead that extending to about your ears. It's the blue part on this picture. And now, please turn to page 137 and look at the line 30 to 33. I'll give you 1 minute, and I will pick someone to read this paragraph and transform it. When this part complete operates, it can't replace the delivery of external messages, and your normal message will interrupt by outside environment, then you can't be concentrated. It is attention deficient disease. And researchers also found out the function of melancholic's prefrontal cortex is very weak. As a result, they have difficulty to replace their negative memory. So they usually feel depression or frustration, and they also infer that melancholics are easy to forget things. It may be related with the change of prefrontal cortex. Now I have some questions. According to the information that I told you, where is the part that controls our mind, and where is it? And please don't look at your textbook. 郑子欣。And please, other classmates don't tell her. Where is the prefrontal cortex?
Where? I think you just told me the
Where is the
answer wrong.
part? Where's the part? I just told you the answer.
Prefrontal cortex.
Yes, and where is it?
I think how to say that?
Oh,
In the front forehead, I think.
Is your on your forehead like extending to about your ears? Very good. I think your prefrontal cortex is completely operated.
Now I'll teach part B, and I separate it into two paragraphs. Each paragraph.
Perhaps one of the most important factors involved in shaping our identity is memory. The ability to retain and remember facts, faces, and experiences. What exactly is a memory? Most scientists define it as a stored pattern of connections between neurons in the brain. Every feeling you remember, every thought you think, alters the connections within the vast network of brain cells, and memories are reinforced, weakened, or newly formed.
Okay, who wants to answer the first question? Quick, it's easy.
Memory.
Right. Okay, the second one. Quick, the point. No? 康伟伦。Okay, it's neurons in the brain. And the second paragraph. And someone volunteered to release question folders. And he or she can get a point. Just read it.
How old do most people's earliest memories reach back to?
Okay, thank you. And the fourth, yeah.
What do some scientists believe, especially what those associated with, might be stored in the
Thank you. And
Most people's earliest memories reach back to about age 3 or so. Very few people recall anything before this time because the part of the brain that helps form long-term memories, the hippocampus, was not yet mature. This doesn't mean earlier memories don't exist in your mind, though. Some scientists believe highly emotional memories, especially those associated with intense fear, might be stored in another structure in the brain, the amygdala, that may be functional at birth. Though these memories are not accessible to the conscious mind, they might still influence the way we feel and behave, even into adulthood.
okay. Two answer. Now it's 3. The fourth question. Quick. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Fear. Highly emotional memories, intense fear. Yeah.
Now this listening practice again, and close your book and take out your paper. Okay? Listen carefully and blank the feel
Emotion
of
is the
it.
least flexible part of the brain, says Ekman, but we can learn to control our emotions by becoming consciously aware of their underlying causes and by not reacting automatically to things in our environment.
Again? Yeah.
Emotion is the least flexible part of the brain, says Ekman, but we can learn to control our emotions by becoming consciously aware of their underlying causes and by not reacting automatically to things in our environment.
Okay? Okay. Can any volunteer? Oh, 1, okay. And go on the stage, write down your answer. Oh, 3, okay. And 2? 2, okay. 4? 4? Any volunteer? No? I pick someone, okay? Lin Youting. Number 3 underline and number 4 is automatically. Did you know the underline what it means? Is a basic or is a real? Okay? Okay. Okay, now turn to page 130 and 38. There's a part C. Okay, and this is an important sentence. Okay. The facial expression used to escape certain emotions recognized by people everywhere. Okay, and can anyone to translate this sentence? It's not difficult, yeah, right? Anyone? 基础语
脸部表情，通常是被用来展示某些情绪，然后可以被说来，就是辨识的出来。
Yeah, very good. Okay. Okay, the next sentence is, these emotions and their corresponding facial expressions evolve to help us deal quickly with situations that can affect our emotions. Okay. The next, the next. Okay. Most emotional responses are learned and stored in our memory. Okay. Okay.